So this is our wall-mounted Westminster greenhouse. Our standard half-height Westminster, but what we're doing here is fixing it to the wall. We have a special kit that gives you fixings to fix it to the wall and also a false floor, so you can put your plants in there. Now, the Westminster is designed to fit into a small space anyway. It's only 33 centimetres deep, 1 foot 1 inch deep, so it's designed to fit anywhere, but in really small gardens maybe you haven't even got space for that. But by mounting it up on the wall, you're not taking up any ground space whatsoever. So it's ideal if you've got a city garden perhaps, or maybe you've got a side return, maybe a little bit of dead space there, and you can put this on the wall. And because it's higher up, it means that early in the year, maybe this is going to catch the early February sun, whereas down on the ground might still be in deep shadow. So very useful for a tiny little garden. The Westminster itself is made of architectural aluminium, so the framework is architectural aluminium, and that's got a 25-year guarantee on it. And this one has been powder coated with a polyester powder coating. So that just makes it look nice, and there's a number of different colours that you can choose from. Fixings are stainless steel, both for the fixings for the frame and the wall mounting pins that go into the brick wall, they're stainless steel as well, so you don't have to worry about rust or corrosion. The glazing is 4mm toughened safety glass. So that's the same glazing that you're going to get in a double glazed window in your house. It's very strong and it's very sturdy, but glass traps the heat, so it makes it nice and warm in there. Access is quite easy. We slide the glass to access, and we also slide the glass to ventilate. So early in the year, we might have glass open just an inch or so, just letting the air gently move through. In the summertime, doors can be wide open, and the roof glass will also slide as well, so you can allow the air to ventilate out through the top. And the slatting that's at the bottom, that's like traditional greenhouse slatting, so it's allowing the air to move up through the grow house and out through the top in the summertime to stop it getting too warm in there. Now in the wintertime, well, warm air rises, doesn't it? So the air will be warmer in here than it will be down on the ground where the cold air sits. But if you've got particularly delicate things, then we do a winter plate that will go on top of the slats and block off that convection airflow. Inside, as well as the staging floor, you've got two adjustable height seed tray shelves. So you can change those for whatever plants you've got on there. In the summertime, if you don't want to use seed tray shelves, you can take them out, and you could perhaps have a bush tomato in there, maybe a couple of peppers in there, and take advantage of the extra height that you've got there. If you're a keen cook, what better than having this mounted on the wall near the kitchen, being able to come out and pick your herbs and put them straight into the cook pot. You can't think of anything better than that. And of course you can also use it as a display case. Maybe you've got auriculas. What better place to display those beautiful auriculas that you've got, or alpines maybe, or bonsai. It's a sturdy frame, and you can put your plants in there and enjoy showing them off in a display case outside. So the Access Westminster half grow house, but this one's fitted onto the wall, taking no space and giving you plenty of growing space inside, but the ground is still free.